In this video, I will tell you about the 4 basic math operations which include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is very easy to add, subtract and multiply and divide the value on the Excel sheet. For example, I have two cells. Cell 1 which include different values, similarly cell 2. I want to add the value of cell 1 into cell 2. For the addition of value, I will simply press equal, then select the value and then press plus by shift and equal, then select the value of cell 2 and then press enter. This is the value of only one cell. You can find the value of all remaining cell by dragging it downward. It will give the value of all other remaining cells. Similarly, you can also subtract the value by pressing equal, then again press the cell 1 value from which you want to subtract the value, then press minus sign and then press the value you want to subtract from the cell 1 value 33, then press enter. This will give this value 521. Now drag it downward to find the value of remaining value. You can also multiply the value, then again press equal and select the value, then press shift and 8. It will give the multiply sign and then select the value with which you want to multiply the value, then press the enter. Now drag it downward to give the remaining value. Division process is also similar. Press simply equal, then select the value and then sign of slash and the value you want with which you want to divide the value, then press enter. Now by dragging it downward you can find the value remaining. I hope so this video will help you to add, subtract. I hope this video will help you to work on the Excel sheet